Hey, KLTV. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't hooping almost I ain't gonna say a year, but like 5 months, bro. Damn. Fuck. KLTV, y'all seen that shit? Fuck. I didn't see the camera. Damn, man, what the fuck? Oh. Just KLTV. That shit butter. That shit chicken. Y'all seen that shit? That shit on. This shit on 4K, nigga. KLTV, this shit. Oh, this shit chicken now. This shit butter. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all seen that? Hold on. I really was supposed to make that one too. Hey, watch this KLTV. This shit butter, bro. You don't want another one? Watch this. Another one. Y'all want another one? Hold on. I'm gonna give y'all a 3-peat. 3-peat. I'm gonna catch up with y'all in the next clip, bro. KLTV, I'm finally on the motherfucking court, nigga. I'm finally on the court. Who I'm holding? Who? Oh, all right. Ooh, good shot. Damn. Late, man. You good? Hey! I'm close, I got you. Hey!
Good finish, K-Love.
KLTV, I gotta get back in shape, boy. Oh my! Hey y'all, big boy E. I was supposed to score that bit though. That's a bad play, that's on me. I got here. Oh, good read. Ooh, shit. Damn. Oh,
Did you do an intro?
yeah, I did one earlier. All right. We had to use his ass. Top. Yeah, y'all up still. Oh my God, I can't score for Good lay, boy. You got it. Hey, finish how we got up.
What's good?
Woo, good shot. Great shot. KLTV, I'm back on the court, bro. First game on, playing in months, we chilling. Game number 2, we here.
He dropped that thing.
Hey, get the fuck out. Hey, KLTV, I ain't getting recorded, bro. Nigga shit on like 10%.
Yeah, man.
My nigga gained that bit, though. I ain't gonna lie, though. I'm keeping that bit of bone, bro. We could've been one that bit.
I suck.
We could've been one that bit. Where MVP at? Where Jokic? Oh, Jokic down there. This nigga, him down there, he had a good 10. I ain't gonna lie, KLTV. I'm low-key out of gas, bro. I probably scored like a good 2.
I know it will.
2 points.
Hey, I'm on the court now. That shit over.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna wrap this video up, man. I'm gonna come back out there Friday morning, bro. You feel me? I'm gonna be more prepared so I can charge. I'm gonna charge my shit up so I'll be able to record all the games. No.
You say you ain't ready yet.
Nah, we Yeah, though, bro. We finna play one more game, bro. If I got some more juice, I'll record and let y'all know who won the game. But if not, peace out. Y'all stay true to yourself and stay blessed.